Meaning of folk etymology.
Folk etymology.
Folk etymology.
Folk etymology.
Folk etymology. Folk etymology refers to the process by which a word's form is altered due to people's mistaken belief about its origin or meaning. It occurs when the true origin of a word becomes obscured or forgotten, leading people to create a new interpretation that seems more plausible. As a result of this process, words often undergo changes in spelling, pronunciation, or meaning, which may become widely accepted over time. Folk etymology can be seen as a form of language change arising from popular usage, rather than scholarly analysis.